Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be going through and finding your latest assignment in Teams, the Dialectical Journals for Chunk 5 of 1984. So again, I'm starting on the Office homepage, clicking here on Teams, and once that loads, you should see a brand new assignment posted in period, whatever you are. I'm going to pick on period 4 today. So right here in your feed, you're going to see a brand new assignment, 1984 Chunk 5 Dialectical Journals. Please click on that assignment. And this is basically everything that you've already seen so far. 1984 Chunk 5, which is chapters 9 and 10, right before you get into book 3. Now, let's be real, guys, this is not the most exciting book in the world in general, and this chunk in particular is very dry. It's why I only assigned you 2 chapters, because getting through Goldstein's book is like a slog. But there's also plenty that happens, plenty of action, and not to give away any spoilers, but it's kind of crucial that you read at least the last several pages of that chapter so you can get into chunk 3 and not be super confused, or rather chunk 6. So make sure that you are picking out the 5 most intriguing or confusing or shocking things that happen and writing a response to each one. And please be ready to share one of those big thoughts on our discussion board tomorrow. You guys have some amazing ideas, and I am so happy to, it was the highlight of my day on Friday to read over them and respond to a lot of you. So thank you so much for that, and please continue the conversation. And everyone else, please get involved, because there just wasn't enough people on there. We'll talk more about that in a different video, but for right now, let's just talk about how to upload these. You can either, now, I know I just assigned this to you today, so it's a little last minute. If you already did them on paper, feel free to just upload a picture here. However, if you want to do something that's a little more paper saving, I guess, if you don't want to kill as many trees, you can just edit right here in the browser. Here's a little step-by-step breakdown of how to do it, but I'll just show you as well. So if you click on this document under Student Work, it'll load just like this, and I have a quick, easy template for you to fill in with a quote and a response. Now, obviously, you can't edit right now. I'm trying to click. Nope. You have to go up to Edit Document, and you can either edit in Word itself or in the browser. I like doing it right in the browser because it's quicker and easier, and it'll save your changes automatically. So notice it says saved right here, and if I type in any quote here and a response, and I close it out, notice that it has saved my work, and it'll also let me view your work as well. So if you just go ahead and type it in there, you can just do it automatically. But again, if you've already done it on paper, you can just upload pictures instead. I'll try to get this to you a little bit earlier next time. Apologies for getting it kind of late. But please submit that as soon as you can, ideally by the end of the day today, so that we can use all the stuff that you've submitted this week in our discussion boards. So again, if you want to know exactly what is due today, basically everything that I've assigned is due at midnight tonight, if you want to give yourself a hard due date. Activities 1 through 3 with fake news, and then these journals are all due by the end of the day today. Now, that's not to say that I'm going to mark you down if you turn them in late, so please definitely turn them in late if you have to. But I would rather you get them done early, that way we can actually talk about them on their discussion boards tomorrow. All right, I hope that clarified some things, and I will post a separate video talking about the discussion boards next. Hope to see you guys all soon.